YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here. So we're gonna have a cold start for sure over here on the old 7.3. Needs a glow plug relay, but of course that's not what's getting fixed today. It's been squealing for 6-7 months now. Let's hope that it's got the way to start. There we go. Let's see. Nope. Like I said, she needs a glow plug relay. Oh. Let's try this again. Sorry, YouTube. My phone keeps trying to connect. There we go. Shouldn't connect anymore. Use the neutral. Yeah, this thing definitely needs a glow plug relay. I do hear it clicking though. Shouldn't need glow plugs though. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, she is not happy. We got a full smoke show happening back there. Oh yeah. Clack, clack, clack. Before we let it get too warm, see if we can tiptoe it right over to the house. Going anywhere. I'm gonna move the Denali over. So hold on a second. The passion's gone, we're doing it wrong. If the passion's gone, we're doing it wrong. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. Yeah, comparison. One of the pulleys do look backwards though, which is kind of weird. Yeah, they look about the same, honestly. The Ford one definitely looks heavier duty. Whether that means anything or not, who knows? You know, I don't know. Yeah, and I bought the belt and everything, so I was just gonna go ahead and just do it anyway, but
if I put this on and it solves the problem, I'm not even going to do anything else. No reason to. Let's see if we can string her through. Gently, at least. Breaking any fan blades. There we go. For a little FYI, I have put almost 50,000 miles on this truck since I bought it. I figured it was a good time to do some of these things. 300,000 miles is a big number to achieve anything. They should be tight enough. Just one Ugga Dugga. Just one. Alright. Should we replace this one? We can. But before we do, let's see how this thing runs. Just doing this. I'm kind of interested to see if this did anything. Oh, wow. Oh, that. Oh, wow. That is way tighter. Oof. Wow, that's almost impossible to twist. I definitely think that was my problem now. And the one I pulled off was extremely easy to take off. Always twist everything around a little in hopes that one day I feel comfortable to start working. No, I know that's not going to be the case. I do need the 2 new relays though. I can actually start it up without having problems. Alright. Let's take you all inside. Let me also show you all the old little bastard here. Definitely tell it's not a Ford product. It lasted for a while though. When I bought the truck, that was brand new. I think that was the only selling point of the truck at the time, because this thing had no cab corners, actually really no nothing. So all I'm looking to see is if it still squeaks. Let's see. The squeak's already going away. But it's still there. So I think that belt did get shot or stretched. Well, maybe not stretched, but I drove it squeaking for a while. It was probably slipping. So I guess we will be doing the 2 pulley, all the pulleys and the belt as well. And then we'll restart it and see how it's running. If it's still squealing, just drive it the way it is then at that point. So it's an 073. Can't expect a whole lot out of it. You know? Yeah, so let me put this pulley over here. Let's get out the new pulley. Let's go to town. Let's get this done. It's also starting to get cold. It's the beginning of almost the holidays for whatever anybody celebrates. If anybody celebrates anything. Put it on time lapse and we'll do a startup once this is all done. So stay tuned. Diesel Dan Peters signing off for now.
Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby,
Alright YouTube, I have 32 seconds left of footage that I can record right now. Let's see. Squeal's gone. Look at that. Running smoother too. Oh yeah, she needs an oil change now. That'll be part of the next video. Stay tuned YouTube. Diesel Dan Peters.